to Maths with Dotun. I'm going to be showing you how to change fractions to percentage, okay, in this video. So fractions to percentage. First fraction I will show you is 1/2. I remember in our introductory video I told you to convert any number at all to a percentage. All you need to do is to multiply it by 100. And then by the time you have the symbol attached, you have it as a division of 100. So to convert any number to percentage, any fraction to percentage, anything at all to percentage, you multiply by what? 100. Right? And then you attach the symbol to it, the percentage symbol, to show that this has been multiplied by 100. And then if you want to undo that, you have to divide by 100. Alright, so now let's multiply half by 100. So 2 in 2 is 1, 2 in 10, 5, and 0, 0. So that's 50, right? So 50 times 1 is 50. And then we have the symbol, right? So this is 50%. So that means 1/2 is 50%. Let's take another fraction, another popular one. Take 1/4. So 1/4 times 100, I'm taking it to percentage, right? So 1/4 times 100. So I take 4 in 100. 4 in 10 is 2. Remainder 2, right? So 4 in 20 is 5. You see I'm using my short division. If not seen the video in the playlist, please check. Alright, so 4 in 10 is 2, remainder 2. In 20 is 5. So that's 25. 25 times 1 is 25. Then you attach the symbol. 25%. That means 1/4 is 25%. One more popular one. So we have 3/4 times 100%. So remember, we say when you're converting a fraction to percentage of any number to percentage, you multiply by 100, right? And you attach the symbol. Okay, so 4 in 4 is 1. 4 in 100 we already know is 25. Then 25 times 5, that's 60 plus 15, right? That's 75. Okay, so 75%. So 50%, half. 25%, a quarter. 75%, 3/4. Okay, this guy's already done, right? So half, 50%, a quarter is 25%, and 3/4, 75%. Okay. So let's take the one of those popular guys. Let's say 1/3. This will give you a fraction. Okay. So to convert 1/3 to percentage, we have to multiply by 100%, right? So that will give us, we know 3 can't go in 100, right? So the 1 times 100. So that's 100/3%. Or we can write this as a fraction, as a mixed number, or as a decimal number. So let's write it as a mixed number. How many 3's are there in 10? That's 3, remainder 1. In 10 again, you have 3, remainder 1/3. So that's 33 and 1/3%. So 33/1/3%. If you want to write that in decimal, that would be 33.33333. Recurring decimal, right? Anytime you have 3 in the denominator, you know it's going to give you a recurring decimal. Just know that. So that will be 33.33%. Alright? So this is how to convert a fraction to percentage. Right? What do you do to convert a fraction to percentage? You multiply it by 100 and then simplify it. That gives you your answer. Mind you, some will always be in fraction, like the denominators of 3. Any fraction that has a denominator of 3, in percentage will always give you a fraction and a recurring decimal. Okay, so take note of that. So you're done. 2/5 in percentage. Let's have your answer in the comments. Thank you. Bye.